Here are most important 5 linking words, especially speaking English. Number 1, firstly. Firstly, প্রথমত. For example, firstly, I'd like to explain my mother in front of public audience. Number 2, however. However, তবে. You will come at our house. However, you won't disturb me. Number 3, moreover. তাছাড়া. Moreover, তাছাড়া. English is important. Moreover, it helps you get better opportunities. Number 4, in my opinion, আমার মতে. In my opinion, আমার মতে. In my opinion, you should admit the University of Dhaka. Number 5, finally, শেষ পর্যন্ত. Finally, শেষ পর্যন্ত. Finally, my dreams came true. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Bye bye.